Welcome back, my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome also, guys. So guys, today I'm gonna make a salad. I just washed my corn over here. I peel a apple and I have cucumber. And I may add other things more to give it some more color. But I'm gonna start with these, guys. And guys, I eat a lot of cucumber, a lot of salad now because it's very hot. So I hardly cook now, guys. I eat a lot of salad and it's good for you. I see I'm eating it and I'm losing a lot of weight. So I'm gonna throw my corn on the side. That's one can of corn, guys. And I rinse it. Now I'm gonna cut my one apple. You can use any type of apple you want, guys. You can use a green one if you want a green one. I'm just using what I have home right now. And guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, please, and tell me where you're watching from, guys. Let's talk in the comment section, okay guys? Cilantro, some parsley, 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes to prepare. Okay, guys? Very easy and very healthy. So if you don't want to make your own salad dressing, you can use this balsamic vinegar one. So I know some people don't want to make their own sauce. So you still can use sauce you buy in the grocery store. I'm gonna add a little red pepper inside just to give it some more color. Just to give it a little color, guys. I love to see colors when I'm eating, guys. This is looking very nice now. So you can adjust it with the sauce you want, with the dressing you want, guys. If you need more, you can add more. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in our next video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video. Ciao. Oops.